Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Muhammad Ramadan and today I want to tell you about my inspirational figure. Check this out. Junior John Rorimpandey, or commonly known as Juna Rorimpandey or Chef Juna, is one of the greatest Indonesian professional chef and celebrity chef. Juna is a chef that specializing in Japanese and French food that has already spent 20 years abroad in the kitchen. His name is famous for being one of the judges in the MasterChef Indonesia event, where he's considered very bold, fierce, spicy in giving comments. Juna is also known to be very unfriendly, not qualified as a judge, even the point of drawing criticism from the audience of MasterChef in Indonesia. But behind his unfriendliness, Juna does have extraordinary potential and cooking skill. This evidence is proven by the technique that he has shown when he do demonstration cook. The story about Chef Juna is motivate me to live this life no matter how it's hard. He struggled to improve himself from his bad condition to success. It's a very long journey. On the other hand, the story of him becoming a chef made me motivated to become a chef. I watched him for the first time in the MasterChef event when he displayed his cooking skill, and it's so fascinating for me. So I fell in love with food and cooking techniques. I think that's all that I can say about my inspirational figure. If you like it, just hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.